The partners share in the profits and losses in an SLP, une société en commodité spéciale, Special Limited Partnership. April 16, 2021, and it's number 335 and 324 for the article and the podcast, as well as the video YouTube respectively. My name is Bertrand Mario and welcome. The Special Limited Partnership, SLP, Société en commandite spéciale, one of the Luxembourg partnerships, offers real flexibility to its partners due to its contractual nature. Thus, distributions and reimbursements to partners and the conditions under which the SLP may request their restitution are governed by the partnership agreement. Therefore, as the law provides, unless otherwise stipulated in the partnership agreement, the share of each partner in the profits and losses of the SLP is in proportion to his partnership interest. The partner's share in the profits and losses in an SLP in a special limited partnership 335 324 for the number of the article and the podcast and the YouTube video respectively, April 16, 2021. Bertrand Mario. If this video was interesting, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube, Bertrand Mario Avocat. You can also support us by putting a 5-star review on Apple Podcast, on Loan Impact Podcast, and you can also see all this content on our website, marioavocat.com. References for today for this article: the partners share in the profits and losses in the special limited partnership. Article 320-5 of the law of 10 August 1915, Article 320-5 of the law of 10 August 1915 on commercial companies as amended, which states in French: les distributions et remboursements aux associés ainsi que les conditions dans lesquelles la société en commandite spéciale peut demander leur restitution sont régis par le contrat social. Article 320-5. Ensuite, à défaut de stipulation contraire dans le contrat social, la part de chaque associé dans les bénéfices et pertes de la société en commandite spéciale est en proportion de ses parts d'intérêt. Article 320-5 de la loi de 1915 sur les sociétés commerciales. 18 1915 tel qu'amendé. Voilà. References. The next reference after this article 320-5 of the law of 10 August 1915 on commercial companies is what is a special limited partnership, société en commandite spéciale. What is a special limited partnership, société en commandite spéciale? January 14, 2021, and the number of this article was 321 and 310 for the number for the article and the podcast, as well as the YouTube video respectively. Bertrand Mario. Voilà. Thank you very much indeed for your attention. The partners share in the profits and losses in an SLP, April 16, 2021, number 335-324 for the podcast article, podcast and YouTube video. Thank you very much indeed. Bye bye. Bertrand Mario.